In this video, we're going to have a look at Gearlog's scanner. We're going to have a look at how we can assign a barcode to a piece of equipment. We'll then take a look at scanning that equipment to jump to it, and also using the barcode to add that piece of equipment to a loan. Let's start by assigning the barcode on a piece of equipment to that entry in Gearlog. We'll use the example of a guidebook with a barcode on the back of it. There are several ways to assign a barcode to a piece of equipment, but the easiest way is simply to edit the piece of equipment, scroll down to its identification section, and scan the barcode by tapping Scan. The barcode has been read. We can see the contents of the code have been pulled out, and we'll use this code and link it to this piece of equipment. We can see the code has been added to the piece of equipment, and we can now save it. We can now use the barcode scanner at any time to jump to this piece of equipment. To access the scanner, from the menu, choose Tools and then Scanner. Hover over the barcode and the piece of equipment will be located and jumped to automatically. Let's look at another option on that scanner tool though. We return to the scanner, Tools and then Scanner. This time, rather than choosing to view the piece of equipment, let's go straight to loaning it. So we choose Loan It. Again, scan the barcode. Gearlog will jump to the piece of equipment and get ready to loan it for us straight away. A couple of other options on that scanner tool again. We could loan it, inspect it, edit it, return it, and so on. A number of actions that we can take directly from scanning that piece of equipment. Let's look now at how we would scan that piece of equipment onto a loan record if we were building a shopping list of loans. You'll recall from our other video that loan records are accessed on the Tools menu and Gear Loans. We've got an existing loan record here which is empty. Let's add this piece of equipment to it using its barcode. To do that, on the Action drop down, simply select Scan Gear onto this loan. Hover over the barcode. We get two options. We can add the gear to the loan, or we can add the gear to the loan and then scan again. That second option is really useful where you've got multiple pieces of equipment you'd like to rapidly scan onto the list. In this situation, we've just got the one, so we'll take the first option, Add Gear to Loan. We've now successfully added that piece of equipment to this loan record by scanning its barcode. What if that was the wrong piece? Well, instead, we can choose Select an Action and Scan Gear off the loan. Again, hover over it. Barcode is read, and we can remove the gear from the loan. Let's pop that back on one more time, just to look at a final piece of scanning. Scan gear back onto the loan again. Add the gear to the loan. We now have our loan record set up. If we return briefly back to the scanner tool again, that's Tools and then Scanner, we actually see on our Actions menu there's an option here which is Go Straight to the Loan Record. Let's pick that one. Now, whenever we scan a barcode, rather than jumping to the piece of equipment, it will jump straight to the overall loan record that that piece of equipment is on. That's taken us straight through to the loan record, ready to add more items to it. Hopefully you found that useful. We looked at three things there really. The first was how to assign a barcode to a piece of equipment. The second was how you can then use that barcode to locate the piece of equipment. And finally, we looked at using the loan record feature to add that piece of equipment by its barcode. Do recall, exactly the same process works for QR codes and also for near field dots if you're using those.